So from what you see, this is not a bad car.
What, this Corvette? No, not at all.
I used to always say, to me, there's no such thing as a bad Corvette.
I can agree with that.
She can drive. They actually made those for women.
I want a motor.
The Canon. Oh, you.
Oh.
See your little ass on a
Oh.
a little 1200.
On a booster?
She weighed about $130.
Right?
She's out there with a 700-800 pound bike.
Bite, holding it.
But they out there.
Oh yeah. All that.
Yeah, man, you put stuff into you install?
No, I mean if he shows me.
Okay.
She helped me out a lot.
Really?
I made it with her car.
It was too cold.
It was cold that day.
But I did, like I said again.
Alright guys, so we're installing the power wires. Right now, I'm about to get ready to go through the firewall. Excuse me. Got my whole artillery's on my tools. Yeah, we're going through the firewall with the power connections. Amplifier. Alright guys, so we got the power wire ran. Sorry if you can't see back there. See, I've already closed all that up. So if I can get you a peek. One second. Forever.
Okay.
Yeah, because this was good.
She said like it came factory. It's good.
Money. They don't get taxed, and they ready to go here and buy shit, or they come here and don't want it and sell it. But that car show gonna be crazy cool.
Oh yeah.
They got a whole section with just Corvette. That radio is cool, right?
Oh yeah, I like this radio. Just
That one that came with, because that came with that speaker. And it has to be with them.
thank you, sir. Alright, YouTube gang. So we was able to get the wiring ran. Got all our harnesses made up. The signal coming from or going to the back of the car. Antennas, microphones, all of that. It's factory speaker and power. I plug that into the radio. Amplifier is ran. That's everything else. So take you around to this here. This is what's left. I'm gonna be back tomorrow to knock all of that out. So just stay tuned. Definitely got a lot coming up for you. Big one. Y'all don't want to miss it, man. Bad boy Corvette.
Doing she's working at a restaurant tonight. Yeah, she do a few things. Get more invested into her hair and nails. Hopefully we.
Because I mean, it's a business. It's money.
It definitely is.
Especially if they go and look.
GPS, running all that. Finna get it in, man. Finna be plugged in a minute. Monstrosity.
God, so much. Got navigation, CarPlay, beautiful radio. Yo, running the antennas right now. Ooh, she's closer to being done. Got my SiriusXM back here. Got all the wiring ran. Finna get ready to pull all this out and clean it back up now that I know everything worked. Look at all this. Taping up my harness. Taping up my wires. My wires. Got everything wired in.
Hear what you love in your car on the SiriusXM app, online and at home. Another reason is what you'll hear, including ad-free music, talk, sports, comedy, news, and more. Need more reasons? How about this? When you